How to add product link to TikTok video. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. So once you're in the app, you need to go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Now, go to Media at the bottom right corner. Over here, you can choose photos or videos from your camera roll. Select the photo you want and then tap on Next at the bottom. Then tap on Next again. Now go to the description box and type in the title product link to add a link over here. Then go back to your main menu and open up the Chrome browser. Then go to the product page you want to link and then tap on the share button at the top as shown. Here, you can see all the sharing options. Tap on Copy to copy the link. Then go back to the TikTok page and paste the link in the description box. After that, tap on Post at the top right corner. You have now successfully added the product link to your video. You can also add a link by tapping on Add Link here. Then select Product Link. Tap on Create to create a product link. Here, you can edit the product link details. After that, go back and tap on Post at the bottom. Following these steps, you can easily add product link to TikTok video.